Accessing assessment and activities in the modules has been divided into two parts. The first part, it is on the introductory part of the module, as we have seen in the previous video, and the second part is within an individual lesson. So you can open that lesson, for instance lesson 1, and we do find in this lesson there is one activity and a self-assessment activity. So if I want to click to open the first activity, which is a lesson reflection, which is some sort of a discussion forum, so I can open this one and I can see the question that the instructor has posted for us as students to discuss. So if I want to respond on it, I'll click on reply button, then I'll get a room for I to write something. So I can write, maybe this is my response. This is my first response, and then to submit it, I'll click submit button down here. And in case I want to edit or I want to delete, there are options here: edit, delete. Also I can reply. So if I want to edit, I will click on edit button, and then this was the response, and maybe this is my second response. Then I can scroll down and save changes. So at that point, I've managed to participate in the first activity in the lesson, which is a lesson reflection. So I'll get back to the home page of my module by clicking the code set108. Then I'll scroll down to, it was lesson 1. Then I'll click on self-assessment activity. When it opens, this is the kind of message that I'll receive as an instruction. Then I'll click attempt quiz now. Then I'll read this message, and if I'm done, I'll click start attempt. Then I can start attempting this question by selecting the correct answer. So maybe this one, maybe this is my correct answer. Then I'll click next page to get the second question. Maybe this is on my side, maybe this is the correct answer. Then I'll click next page. And if I'm done, I have another question. Maybe this is a correct answer, maybe this one. Then I'll click finish attempt. Then if I want to submit what I've done, I'll click submit all and finish. Then I'll click again submit all and finish. Then I'll get a summary of the question which I've managed to get them correct, and the question which I've got a wrong score. Then after reading the feedback, I'll click finish review. And in case I want to reattempt again, maybe my scores are not so good, I'll click reattempt quiz now. Then I'll click start attempt, and maybe this is the right answer. Then I'll click next page to get another question. Then maybe this is the correct answer. Then I'll click next page. Then maybe this is the right answer. Then I'll click finish attempt, and I'll submit all and finish. Then submit all and finish again, and then I'll get a summary from the started time, the state, completion time, the time taken to answer this quiz, and the marks end, or the grade end. Then I'll scroll down, then I'll click finish review for fully submission of this activity. So I'm done with the self-assessment activity. I can click set 108 to get back to the home page of my module, and to check if there are other activity or assessment component that I need to take care. So on the scope of lesson 1, I'm done with activities and assessment. So I can close this, and you can opt to go to another. For instance, in the lesson 2, there are another activity. But upon the completion of all lesson, we do expect you are going to see the post-test activity again as well. So if you want to attempt it, you can just click on module post-test. Then you can read the instruction and start attempting. The post-test. It provide you with a question, and then you need to write something. Maybe this is a statement answer. You need to write your answer here, so you can fill your answer based on the statement. And we do have a total of 8 questions. Then I have the second one. I can write answer again. Then I'll scroll down to other question. I can just put it answer. Then I'll scroll down to another question which also need to provide the correct answer. Then I'll select the right answer for the other question. Then I'll click next page in order to access other questions. Then also I need to write something based on the question like this. Then I need to select the correct answer. Then I need to respond by writing something based on the statement that it has been provided. Then when I'm done, I'll click finish attempt, and I'll click submit all and finish. I'll get the summary of the question. In fact, the summary that I get, it will tell me that it has not yet been graded due to the fact that there are questions that actually they need the attention of the instruction to go and read and provide the scores for me. So otherwise I click finish review, and that marks the end of the post-test activity. So I'll get back to set 108, the home page. Then I'll scroll down to see if there is another activity. We have evaluation and award, which there is an evaluation form. So at the completion of the module, you need to fill this form. So I can click it, and I can click answer the questions. So these are evaluation questions that I need to answer. So I might write, maybe my center it is maybe Morogoro FDC, and the program maybe I'm taking masonry. Maybe the module code it is set 108. It is workshop organization, and the duration I've studied for 4 weeks. This is just an assumption. This is my first academic year, year 1. Then I can select, based on the statement, I can select the right answer on my side. So I'm just selecting them randomly. When you're done, there is a place that you need to provide additional comments. Maybe the module was excellent. So if I'm done, I'll click submit your answers. Then I get back to the home page of my module, and actually that's how we can participate and play around with several activities and assessment component in our module. So thank you, and stay tuned for the forthcoming tutorials.